Do you suffer from frequent sinus infections or chronic sinus pain? If so, the usual remedies such as antibiotics, steroids, or nasal sprays are not the long-term solution. The answer is a minimally invasive procedure performed by Dr. Hilel Swerdlin at Wisconsin Sinus and Snoring in Milwaukee. This new medical breakthrough is providing relief to thousands who suffer from chronic sinus infections and sinus pain. Call for a consultation at the number on your screen, or click on the lower left of this video to schedule a consultation with Dr. Swerdlin. It's time to get your life back and find a long-term solution to your chronic sinus issues. Call or click to schedule your consultation at the Wisconsin Sinus and Snoring Clinic in Milwaukee.